Hi, it's Jimmy and Louisa here from Jersey Plants Direct, and today we're going to show you how to plant up a little poppy bed. This year we're doing a special deal with the Royal British Legion where we got some wild annual flower seed and some poppies we've grown in plugs and little 24s, and then we're just going to plant a little area out by 1 metre, 2 metres squared. We're quite proud of this because it's the 100th anniversary of the Royal British Legion this year, and we're giving 10% away for all our sales. So we're just going to lay it out now, dig a little bit of grass up and plant up some plants for you. So we're just going to lay out the area first. So we're just going to help me here. So we're going to measure out 2 metres. We've got a couple of bit of old sticks. And we're just going to pop it in there.
All good?
Okay.
Yeah.
And we'll come this way. We're going to go 1 metre wide. One more peck here.
Oop.
Go on. Check us at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll go this way. That just have to be totally accurate.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we've got the nice bit of digging it up. So we're just going to take the, going to grab my spade.
Yeah.
And we're just going to take that little top layer of grass off. You dig down, and then you're going up like that. Takes a little while. What you do is you do that either side, and then lift up. Okay, so we're just going to straighten up the edges now. We've dug all the turf off, just put it over there. You can always reuse that if you want to. And we're just going to tidy up the edges, just to make them nice and straight. It's a nice square block, rectangular block even. So we're just going to rake it over now. Probably do this a couple of times just to get rid of the big bits. A little bit clayey this soil, so there's a few big bits we'll have to break down. Do that as we go along. Unfortunately, not a lot of stone in here, but if you do get some stones, just take them out. It's not too bad actually. Just break down these big bits now. Corners. We'll take a little break while you're doing this. Don't need to go too hard. How's that look, Louisa?
Fantastic. Any sort of debris?
Break down these big bits a little bit. There we go.
Looks great.
20 minutes work and we're nearly there.
He's done all the hard labour.
So now I'm just going to stamp it down a little bit. So we've dug it. Well, we've taken the grass off first, we've dug it over, we've raked it, we've just taken out the big pieces, just gently tap it down with a rake, and now we're going to sow the seed. So the important thing is this, is to sow it as evenly as possible. So we'll undo the packet, and then what we're going to do is we're going to sow it very gently, just very sprinkle it across. Don't worry if it's not too even. So this is the our annual wildflower mix. There's all sorts of little varieties in here. Gently open it, best probably do it over the top of here. And what we're going to do is just gently sprinkle it around, and to get it evenly we're going to rake it in again. So we're just going to gently so we're going to push it all the way across. Try not to stand if you can, it doesn't hurt too much. Once you've laid them out, you can always just adjust it slightly. You can always have a look over the top and see if it's even. So you don't need too much equipment. So just have a quick look over the top. Oh, looks fairly good to me. Excellent. Then we're going to plant them in. Okay, so we're just going to plant them in. I've got a little trowel here. Just going to dig in a little bit. And the same thing, always firm down around the plant. If you go around the outside, then you don't have to actually stand on the soil. Just make a little hole. Make sure the roots are covered. I find a big bit of stone in there, just chuck it away. Down to the last one or two. And we're ready to water in. Just have a little check. Make sure all them roots are covered. There we go. The important thing is to really get good watering. One watering can probably won't be enough, but we're just going to go nice and evenly. This is what's what get the seed germinated. Temperature's good at the moment, it's spring, so nice good soil temperature. Just avoid standing on there if you can. Just come around the other side. We're probably going to do this about 2 or 3 times over if we've got a hose pipe. Really water it in well. Yeah, just get about 2 or 3 times at least. Okay, and then what you might need to do, if the sun's shining, you're going to have to probably water it for another week. Keep watering it every day, probably in the morning and the evenings. Just keep it nice and moist, and that'll get the seed germinating. Okay, so with all the old bits of grass and bits of soil, we've got a little hedgerow around. Just put it in the hedgerow. Get rid of it.